Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 7377. This shape runs from the second month 2012 and runs through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, has sun cracks, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front factory 17-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish that has sun cracks. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one large dent. Right rear tailgate garnish, sun cracks. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one large dent down the bottom corner. Suit good private. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Console lid, automatic console, commander controls, automatic gear shifter, climate controls, dual zone heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.